यहाँ पे मैंने 3/4 कप मिल्क ले लिया है और इस मिल्क में मैं डाल रही हूँ 1 टीस्पून ऑफ विनेगर एंड इसको मिक्स करके हम रख देंगे एक 5-10 मिनट के लिए. दैट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप. Okay, to begin with the cake, first in the mixing bowl, I am taking about 1.5 cup of oil. This is the normal cooking oil that you will use at your home. And in this, I am adding 1.5 cup of sugar. This is the normal plain white sugar which we use normally at home. Let's mix them nicely till they are blended well. In this I am going to add 2 eggs. And mix this well. I am using just a spatula today. If you want, you can also use the hand mixer or the electric mixer. This is going to take a few minutes. Now you can see the egg is nicely mixed in the oil and the sugar mixture. Now at this point I am going to add vanilla to this. It's about 1 teaspoon of vanilla that I will be adding. I am using Ozoro brand today. It doesn't matter which one you have or which one do you want to use. So this goes in. This is about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is nicely mixed. The next thing that will go in is this milk and vinegar ka extract which we have made. So this is about 3/4 cup of milk. This also goes into it. Now I'm going to mix this well. Once this is mixed, in this we are going to add the dry ingredients. Now this is mixed well. In this I am going to add 1.5 cup of flour. This is normal flour. The next thing that goes in is the cocoa powder. I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'm using the Hershey's cocoa powder. As I have shown you before also, I use this one. So this will be about 3/4 cup. This small cup is 1/4 measure. So here is 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next I am adding about 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. You can use any Nescafe or brew coffee powder, whatever you have at home. I am using today brew coffee powder. This is about 1 teaspoon of coffee powder that goes in. The next thing that goes in is the baking soda. This is about 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And the next one is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Here it goes, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we are going to mix all this together. Till all this is mixed very well. All the ingredients are mixed very well. So this is almost done. Now I am going to transfer all this into the cup molds that I have. Oops. Okay, everything is mixed very well. Going to transfer it out now. So I am just filling these cupcake molds. Whenever you are filling a cupcake mold, make sure that it is filled only till 3/4 of the mold. There should be some space left on top so that it can rise up. So these are ready. This will go into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. It differs from oven to oven. I'm going to put it for 180 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. In between I will take them out and see. अगर आपके पास ओवन नहीं है तो फिर आप नॉर्मल सॉल्ट या सैंड भी किसी बर्तन में नीचे डाल करके और इनको बेक कर सकते हैं. So here this goes into the oven. और अब हम बनाएंगे कपकेक के लिए फ्रॉस्टिंग. दैट इज़ अगेन चॉकलेट फ्रॉस्टिंग टुडे. So I'm using butter. This is now unsalted butter and this is at room temperature. So क्योंकि ये unsalted butter है, I'm going to use a pinch of salt in this. But if you want, you can use the salted butter as well. So इसके अंदर जाएगा just a pinch of salt and 1 cup of sugar. This is icing sugar that I'm using. And we are going to mix this together. Along with this, I am also going to add about 1/4 cup of chocolate, that is cocoa powder. I'm using Hershey's as usual. So I'm adding about 1/4 cup of cocoa powder in this because it is chocolate frosting. So we are going to mix all of them well. This is almost done. You can see that it's nicely mixed. So the icing is ready. I'm going to take it out in a icing bag I have here. So here my cupcakes are ready. This is just out of the oven, so let me cool it down, and after they are cooled down, we are going to ice them. So here we go. मैंने पाइपिंग बैग के अंदर क्रीम भर लिया है and I'm going to decorate this. So मैंने आइसिंग इसके ऊपर लगा दी है. Going to cover all the cakes with the ice cream just like this. So the chocolate icing I have covered nicely on the cupcake. So the chocolate cupcakes are ready. So here we go. I have iced the cupcakes. I'm just placing a small sugar flour on this. These makes them look extra beautiful. Although the taste itself is enough, but however. So here my chocolate cupcakes are ready. Do try them. Do try them and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Chocolate cupcakes.